Good afternoon, class. Today we're going to be going over some games that we did both in the fall and in the spring. We played pickleball and we played badminton. In that game, there's common strategies between the two. Same with volleyball, tennis, even handball off the wall. So let's talk about what does that mean in terms of our standards. Okay, our standard 1.11, assess the effect or outcome of a particular performance strategy in a dual activity. Well, you normally play pickleball or tennis or badminton with a partner, so that would be a dual activity, and assessing a strategy. We're going to get to that today. Learning target, I can assess situations in activities and explain cause and effect. Okay, if this happens, then that happens. If X, then Y. So we're going to talk about that. Our word wall today: cross court, down the line, lob, drop, clear, and smash. Those are all terms that would be used in any really racket sport or paddle sport, or even in volleyball. Similar terminology might be phrased a little differently. Like I believe the smash most of the time would be called the, do you remember? Let's see. Do you remember? The spike is kind of like a smash. Anyway, I'm going to put this down and I'll walk you over to my little setup over here. Okay. So, as I stated before, there is some similarities between games. And if you look at a cross-court shot, you'll see here, my little happy face is in this corner. These two players are right here. So what are they going to do? Hit it where they're not. They're going to hit it this way. Okay, this is obviously the partner, which makes it a dual activity. So that would be called a cross-court shot. So you selected that shot based on where your players are or your opponents. Now let's talk about down the line. Okay, down the line, same thing. The players are grouped in the same spot. And this team is spread out, right? So here we go with the down the line shot. And obviously, once it bounces, you get your point. So that was cross court and down the line. Okay, so let's look at our little demo over here. I drew up a little court. Okay, and I have Mr. Coco. He looks like a good pickleball player. He's going to be in this corner. And Mr. Hector, Coco's grandfather, going to be right here. And our two dinosaurs, they don't know what they're doing. They're going to be standing in the middle of the court next to each other, probably talking about TikTok or something like that. So Mr. Coco has the ball, and what does he do? He is going to hit it cross court, and he would get his point, okay? Or he could hit it down the line, okay? Now you see I've listed other things: lob, drop, clear, smash. Whatever you're going to draw up this week is going to be one of those. If you can find another play, you're more than welcome to. But I want you to, just like last week, you're either going to draw or use little action figures to take a photo of a play. So obviously these are very simple. You can be way more creative than me. These are the toys I chose to use today. At the end of the day, I just want to see an example of lob, drop, clear, smash, or any other tennis, pickleball, badminton strategy or situation. Cause and effect. So if they go there, then they go there. All right. So how could these two dinosaurs help? So if that happened to them once, they could spread out, right? So when the ball comes, they're here or here. Well, then what happens in your drop shot, or if somebody's playing back, okay, maybe Coco puts it right here, and that would just kind of drop over the net. All right. But anyway, you get creative, use what you have at your house, and show me some cause and effect, explain some situations. Obviously, not in a team sport. I'm not looking for soccer. I'm not looking for football. I'm looking for one of the net sports or volleyball if you want. Hope you have a good day. Dr. S, signing off.